In today's video, I've got an absolutely awesome method to share with you, which you can get started with to make money online and from home today. You can do this without any experience, without any skills, and once you see the potential with this, I think you're going to be very impressed. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a piece of software which you can get access to today for free, and it will make all of this incredibly fast and simple. But overall, this method is awesome. The potential with it is huge, and you can get this realistically up and running within the next, I'd say, 30 minutes. So let's jump into it and I'll show you everything you need to know about making money online and from home. Okay, so let's jump over onto the website and I'll walk you through how this whole process works. So this over here, it's called Upwork.com. Now this is a freelancing website, and this is just one example whereby you can go ahead and find people who are looking for this service. And I promise you, once you've seen exactly how this method works, you'll start to see the potential with this. So you can see here, I've just come over here and I've typed in YouTube script, and there's currently 651 jobs available just on this one platform here for YouTube. And so if I scroll down here, let's have a look at some of these. So look, somebody here needs a script for a YouTube channel in English, and they're paying $40. Really simple. Come a bit further down, let's have a look at this. Look, video explainer for video script, engaging explainer video script for our fintech product, $50. Come further down the page, $30. Further down the page, look at this one here. An engaging scriptwriter for a YouTube channel. At this moment in time, they've got a $60 budget for this, and then it leads to further work. You can see down here, look, $100 for 10 scripts, $60 for 5 scripts. And look, when was this posted? 5 hours ago. If I go back up to the top up here, you can see 38 minutes ago, 38 minutes ago, 45 minutes. Come further down the page, 5 hours ago, a bit further on the page. Another script writer. I mean, look at this. A script writer for a YouTube channel. They're paying over $1,000. Come further on the page, it will show you a bit more information. This is just page one of probably about 15 of these pages. So all of these people here is basically they don't want to do the work themselves. They're looking to outsource a content creator who will go ahead and give them a full script for a YouTube video. So how does this work? Well, look at this. We'll just use this one here as an example. This one here whereby they're starting an NBA basketball YouTube channel. So for this, we're going to use a piece of software, and you can get access to this today for free for 5 days. Now let me show you how this all works. So this is inside of the software, and in this example, we're going to be looking at video. So I'm going to come over here to video, and you can see on here we've got video topic ideas, a script outline, titles, script and hook, and also a description. So in this example here, we're going to be looking at this NBA YouTube channel, and they want some scripts for some videos. So let's go ahead and put some content into this AI software, and it will give us some ideas. So let's just go with video topic ideas. And you can see I've used this, I'm using this all of the time for my different YouTube channels and also blogs and other bits. So what topic should the videos be about? So let's just go with NBA basketball. And we're just going to type in, let's just go with basketball, for example. And I'm going to just click on generate AI content, because basically this is just going to give us a couple of suggestions. So look at this. Let's look at this. Ball handling. So we've got some ideas here. We've also got 10 reasons to play basketball, but I wanted to be a little bit more specific about this. So if I come back over here, we'll just go with, let's have a look if there's anything they've given us on here. Let's just go, okay, so let's go back over into the actual software, and we'll type in top NBA basketball fails. Let's go with that, and let's click on generate AI content. Okay, so this has given us a bit more to go with. So for now, I'm just going to go with, let's just click on the top one here, life of NBA player. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take a couple of these ideas, right? So I'm going to take this one here, top 10 highest paid NBA players. I'm going to take that and put it into a notepad. I'm going to go to the next line. Let's have a look at the next ones down here. Ranking the top fail moments in NBA history. I quite like that one. And I'll also go with this one here. Let me just grab this. Copy this, I'm going to come back over here. So I've got a couple of ideas from the video topic ideas. So let me go back into the templates, So I've got some ideas, but now I need a title. So let's go into the video title and we'll just paste one of these in here. So we'll paste the top one in here. So let's just go with this and see what comes out. Paste in here, and look, keywords to rank for. So any keywords that you put in here, this software up here, you can see it will create engaging, click-worthy titles for your videos that will rank on YouTube. So let's just go with this here. I'm going to paste this into here. And look, you see here where it says tone of voice. I can change this to any tone of voice that I wanted. In fact, if I click on here and click on see more, inside of the software, it gives you many more options for this. So you can go with, sorry, it's just loading up a second. You can see here you can go with funny, casual, excited, professional, etc. There's lots more examples in here, and there's another 155 words there. But for now, I'm just going to leave it on excited, and I'm going to click on generate AI content. And after a second or so, look, this is going to give us some suggestions for video titles. So you could grab these. Well, that one, we'll go with these for now. Let me just copy this. I'm going to put in title. I'm going to paste that into there. Okay, so I've got my title. Go back to video. So we've got our idea, we've got a title for this. Now we need to go with a video script, hook and introduction. So basically, if you don't know, a hook is basically what captures somebody's attention and it gives them a reason for continuing to watch the video. Then we go into an introduction. So up here we're putting our video title. So let's get rid of that and we'll come back over here and we will go with NBA players who are earning millions. Is LeBron James on the list? So let's go with that one. And I'm going to paste that into here. And again, I'll leave it as excited and I'm going to click on generate AI content. And you can very quickly just start to see how this is all starting to come together for us. So let's just click on here. So this is the hook. So what players are making the most in NBA today? We're going to hi. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So we'll copy that and come out with that. But look, that's just taken from this one here. I could use this one down below if I wanted. And if I didn't like either of these, I could go ahead and create some more content. But we'll go with this. So we've now got our title. So let's just get rid of this. We have now got the opening to our actual video. So look, title, hook, introduction. Hello, Mark. And today's top, let's go further down. So now we will go back into our templates again and go to video. So we've got our title, we've got our hook and introduction. We'll go for a script outline. So again, we're just going to paste our title in here. Copy this and put this into here. Then we're going to click on again, just generate. It takes a second. And here are some examples of people who are actually, making the most money in the NBA. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to take this and copy this. So this is our script outline. So these are our players that we're going to be using inside of our script. So number 1 is Kevin Durant, number 2, number 3, etc. Okay. So come back over here and I'm going to click on templates. And then I'm going to come back down to video. So we've done our ideas, we've got our title, we've got our script and our hook, and we've also got a script outline. If I wanted to, I could even go into video description, and I'm going to put this in here as well because, grab this, I'm going to put this into here, like so, and click on, I'll just go with this for now. Copy this, put this into here and click on generate AI content because it says you can put this in your description, but you can also include this inside of your video if you wanted to. But I'm just going to click on here and copy this. So this is something I can use inside of my description. Put that down there. Okay, so now I've started to get an idea of our actual video and the whole script for this. So the next part of this, what I would do is I would come over to Content Improver, and you can see on here, take a piece of content and rewrite it to make it more interesting, creative and engaging. So now I'd come back over here and I'd maybe take this here if I wanted to change this part as well. Or what you can also do is if I come back over into templates, I'm going to come down here and we'll look at this here. So this is known as the AIDA framework, and you can see on here attention, interest, desire and action. So inside of here I'm just going to put my YouTube title. So I'm going to go back up here and copy this and put this in here. And you see where it says product description? So inside of here, I'm just going to take this, our intro to the video, and I'm going to click on generate AI content. And then this is more stuff that we can add into the video script. So look, attention, interest, desire, you'll be surprised who made the list in their spare time. And then where it says action, instead of click on the link for more information, you'd simply put in here, keep watching to find out more information about the wealthiest NBA players. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to take all of this here, I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go ahead and put this over here as well. So we've got our title, we've got our hook, we've got our introduction, we've got our list of players here. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to paste this into here as well. So hook, attention, you can put this in here, interest, so you see this here. I'm going to cut that from there, I'm going to paste that into here. And then I'm going to move down a bit here, get rid of this, desire. So we'll keep the desire in, so we'll get rid of that. You'll be surprised who made it onto the list. And then we'll go to the next line, keep watching to find out more information about the wealthiest NBA players. So it's looking pretty good in it already. And how long has this taken? It's taken us a couple of minutes. So we've got all of that information there. So you can use this in this framework here. But there's so many more different things that you can use with this here. So if I come further on the page, if you wanted to go, for example, with a creative story, watch this. This is just awesome. Excuse this, my son and his friend were playing around with it earlier and they were finding it quite funny. So if I come down here, so this is the plot. So let's just go with NBA players who are earning millions. Let's just go with this, paste this into here, click on generate AI content. And basically this is going to give us a creative story, so you can use this in there as well. So look, hey, take this, put this back over here, and you've got this down here as well. So let me just grab this down here and paste this into here. So hey, have you heard about the NBA is really getting serious? I mean, like really serious. One of the players this year said he was going to be earning 500 billion per game. That's not even a typo, it's $500 billion. It sounds crazy. So you see here, like this as well, you can take this and you can put this up here. So you could have this as your hook if you wanted to. So you can see here what I'm doing with this software here is it's done using all of these templates. So you start off on the video templates, you do some ideas, you get titles, you have your script, and your hook, your introduction, you've got your script outline. Once you've got that, you then just basically come into here and use the different templates and expand on it. So for example here, blog post into paragraph, I'm going to click on here and I'm going to type in, so company product names, let me just go with NBA for example, audience, so we'll just leave this with, let's just go with Dad's Sports Fans, something like that. Blog post title, so in this example it says blog post, but you can still put in your YouTube video in here. So I'm going to come back over here, I'm going to come up to top 10 highest paid NBA players, NBA players who are earning millions, and grab that and copy that and put this into here, and I'm going to click on generate AI content, and then again look, we've got more content here. So you can take this, or you could take this one here, look. This one even says LeBron James. Look, check out the list below with compiled view. So all we're doing here is we're using this software and these different templates to go ahead and create for us our video scripts. And you can see on here already, we've already got a lot of information to be using in this example here. So you can use all of this and basically you just put it together into a script. And once you've done that, you then come back over here onto Upwork and you just move on to the next one, and then you move on to the next one, and you can see on here there's over, what is it, 651 different jobs available over on Upwork whereby you can use this. Now this software over here, it uses AI technology, and everything that it creates and the content that it pulls together and compiles for you, it's all 100% unique. So it's pretty impressive. And what I've shown you today using the video templates here, this is just one part of this that you can use. You've got blogs, you've got websites, you've got e-commerce, email, and many more. You've got SEO and lots more. So in terms of this, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. And on here, you can go ahead and get a 5-day free trial for this. So if I take this all the way down here, I'll just show you this. Where is it? It's here, look. You can trial this for 5 days for free. There's literally no strings attached or anything. It will give you 10,000 credits, which means you can go ahead and create 10,000 words inside of the software. After that, if you go ahead and you like the software and you want to continue using it, it will then go to, where is it? It's up here. It's $29. Yeah, it goes to $29 a month, and you can see up here you get 20,000 words included. You also get templates and basically everything I've shown you in the video. If you scroll further on the page as well, come down here, look, if you go ahead and click this link here, you will actually get the software, but you'll also get 10,000 additional credits. But look, go ahead and trial and test it using this free link here, because this is just one example of what I've shared with you of how you can use this software over here. You can use this for video, you can use this for blog articles, you can do this for so much more, different things as well. If we was to go on here, let's just quickly go on to blogs, so blog post ideas, you can use this to create full blog posts. So if I go up here, let's just see if anyone's actually doing this. So let's just go and type in blog post. Look, 3,000 posts. Come down here, look. SEO expert needed to optimize current Shopify website. Blog writers needed for a supplement website. Come further on the page, affiliate article editor. Come further on the page, look, writer needed for a home and food blog. I mean, blimey, 50k. Come further down, there's lots more on here. And believe it or not, inside of here, you can go ahead and create these blog lines and these blog posts and lots more. The one last thing I'll share with you inside of this software, which is absolutely awesome, and I recommend it for you, is if I come up here and let's just go to learn, come further on the page, let's just click on this here. You can see here you've got so much more in here to help you get started with this. If I click on help and support, come further on the page here, look, trainings. This here is how you can create a 2,200 word post in 15 minutes using the software. So 2,000 words for a blog article, and all of the content here is what it pumped out for you in 15 minutes using the different templates available inside of the software. So do you think you could use this software here to go ahead and apply to, different jobs over on Upwork? Absolutely. And look, this is just one platform. You can use Upwork, you can use Fiverr, you can use Freelancer, and many more. But go ahead, check this out for yourself, take the 5-day free trial and play around with this as much or as little as you like. But once you do get started with this, hopefully you'll be pretty hooked like me, because I've trialed and tested many of these AI softwares in the past and none of them come anywhere near or close to this one here. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.